Hello everyone, it's Amir Safa, Senior FX Consultant at Worldwide Currencies. I'm going to run you through what happens to the pound, euro and dollar over the course of this week, so let's just jump right in. So firstly, onto the pound, we've seen some renewed strength against both the euro and the dollar. There are two main reasons for this. So firstly, the UK are vaccinating more people compared to a lot of other countries, which bodes well for the next couple of months. But also there's less of an expectation that the Bank of England will cut interest rates into the negative territory. This is because the governor of the Bank of England, Bailey, mentioned that negative interest rates are controversial. So the market took that as a sign that the central bank may not take action in the next couple of months, which has pushed the pound up across the board. So onto the euro, we've seen actually some weakness against both the pound and the dollar. The last few months it's performed really well. One reason for this is the vaccine rollout in Europe is looking like it's much slower than a lot of areas of the world, like the UK, like the US. So they're lagging a little bit behind on that front. That increases concerns about how quickly we're going to see some sort of economic recovery in the Eurozone. But in addition, the European Central Bank monetary policy accounts showed that members were actually quite concerned about the euro's strength because it would have a negative impact on inflation across the Eurozone. So as a result, we have seen the euro weaken against both the pound and the dollar. So lastly, onto the dollar, it has weakened against the pound, but it has strengthened against a even weaker euro this week. So US unemployment claims figures came out on Thursday, and they came out at 965,000 compared to 785,000. So that's much worse than expected, and that highlighted the need for the US to introduce some sort of fiscal stimulus package. So just in the last couple of hours, President-elect Biden announced that his stimulus package is going to be worth $1.9 trillion. So when you have that much dollars flooding the economy, that tends to weaken the value of it. So however, what I would say is that was probably already priced into the rates because there was the expectation that we'd see something around the $2 trillion mark, and that's why you've seen the dollar weaken over the past week or two. So overall, the pound remains strong, the euro has weakened, and the dollar remains weak as well. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.